traders, it's Jeff with Simply Derivative, and here's the daily recap video for Wednesday, May 8th. Taking a look at the new E-mini, E-micro futures contract for the ES. And as you can see here, we have some information on it. If you guys haven't heard of these new contracts yet, they just started trading on the CME. They started on Monday a couple days ago, and decent volume. You can see we're at 254,000 contracts for today traded. So it's decent volume. And so this may be an option for you traders out there that have smaller account sizes or want to have more flexibility in your trading and use multiple contracts to scale out a position, scale into positions. It gives you a little more flexibility. You can see that it's basically 1/10 the size of the ES E-mini contract, so it's going to be $5 per point versus the $50 per point. So that breaks down to $1.25 per tick, and so it allows traders with smaller accounts, more retail traders, and more flexibility overall for any trader out there to manage risk and also manage their trades a little bit differently. And so we've started trading these things. The volume has been there. We waited a day before the volume really took place and wanted to make sure we were going to get enough liquidity on the contract. And as you can see, 254,000 contracts on the day is pretty decent for this contract. And so we're trading it already. We like it. It's pretty liquid, and it's about tick for tick with the ES E-mini contract. And so if you guys want to learn more information about it and learn how to trade it just like the ES or the other futures contracts out there, the equity indices, definitely check us out at simplyderivative.com. We're going to have tons of video and content on this. We're going to be trading these futures products in our live streams coming up here starting this week and every week going forward. Still trading the ES, but also wanted to give some exposure to these new contracts that just came out this past Monday. And so I wanted to highlight that first of all, really just to go over that and make you guys aware of that. So if you are interested in learning how to trade these E-micros, like I said, stop by our channel, either YouTube or our Twitch page for our live streams, or you can check us out at simplyderivative.com. We do have our trading room that you guys can join each month where we're in the markets 3 days a week, trading live with our members here in the futures market, specifically day trading these products. And so that's that. And in terms of the market today, we saw that big sell-off yesterday, and today we basically snapped back a bit and then was range bound for most of the day. A couple trades early on in the morning. We had the regular trading hours low of the day down here. There was an opportunity to hop on board in a couple spots towards the low of the day, and then we had a couple short opportunities back up at the regular trading hours high of the day. And so again, it was somewhat of a range bound market, even though the swings were pretty decent. We're looking at about a 20 point range, 30 point range on the ES and the E-micro as well. So there was definitely volatility. The realized volatility has picked up. The VIX, you can see, is sitting at 19. It did poke up to above 20 on the cash market today. And so there was definitely ample liquidity and ample opportunity to take advantage of these swings. And so the whole news is the China talks and tariffs coming on Friday. And so we'll see how that plays out. But on an intraday basis, like I said, we had a couple opportunities, a couple shots here at the low of the day opportunity, and then a couple shots at the regular trading hours high of the day. And so there was a few trades that we took in these particular areas, and had a decent day, even though the ES ended up finishing basically almost flat for the day. You can see SPX was only down four and some change, and the other markets as well, basically flat as well. So we're probably going to expect to see that the rest of the week until Friday comes, and then that may be a different story. So that's it for today in the daily recap. Just wanted to highlight these new E-micros. We are trading them. There's an E-micro for the ES, the NQ, the Russell, and the Dow. Specifically, we're looking at the ES contract or the E-micro, and that symbol is MES is the ticker, and most brokers out there are going to offer that. It's through the CME group, so if you want more information about that, be sure to visit the CME group's website, and you can get all the contract specs for all the different equity indice products out there. And like I said, that's it for us today. We will be trading these in our live streams and in our rooms with our members. So if you guys want more information, be sure to check out one of our broadcasts. Also, check us out at simplyderivative.com if you're interested in learning how to trade these. We do have our trading room, our chat room, live 3 days a week, where we are intraday trading in these futures products. And an update on our course, our day trading course for these products. We are close to getting that out for you guys. We've had somewhat of a delay. Just want to make sure that it's all buttoned up and nice and ready to go for you guys. So that will be coming here shortly. And if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Be sure to check us out at simplyderivative.com. And we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night.